Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts out of clay. First, gather your essential crafting supplies like polymer clay, a rolling pin, and various sculpting tools. Choose vibrant clay colors that resemble delicious donut flavors. Finally, prepare your workspace to ensure a smooth and enjoyable creative session. Having everything ready makes the process much easier and more fun. Now let's start shaping. Begin by rolling a small amount of clay into a smooth ball which will form the base of your donut. Gently flatten this ball into a disc shape, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then, use a small circular tool like a pen cap to carefully create the classic donut hole in the center. This gives it that perfect donut look. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you craft or setting timers. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Time for the fun part, decorating. Apply a thin, contrasting layer of clay to the top of your donut for the frosting effect. Next, add tiny clay sprinkles or other small embellishments to make your donut unique and appealing. Finally, use a needle tool or toothpick to create realistic textures, like tiny air bubbles or glaze drips, giving it an authentic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.